Gates open, they're up and racing. Ha ha. Draws for your lead. Kati Punera moving up by the rail. Then running on the outside, third Dennis Song, and by the rail is Prospering. Then next in line is Flourish running alongside 3A. Quattro Supra and Home Run Last. He's running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 900. We have number 1, Katipunera, running on the outside. Ha ha! Prospering is racing in third, down in 40s. Dennis Song rounding at the last 600. Katipunera, ha ha, is on the outside. Prospering still in third and on the outside. Dennis Song as they race at the last 450. Katipunera, ha ha. Prospering now getting closer in third together with Dennis Song as they swing for home. We have Katipunera Prospering moving up by the rail and on the outside. Dennis Song with Katipunera Prospering. Dennis Song is on the outside with 100 to go. Dennis Song, Katipunera is by the rail. Dennis Song, Katipunera, and finally Dennis Song, Katipunera Prospering. Flourish, ha ha, Home Run Last, and 3A, Quattro Supra.